We are a custom fabrication shop. We custom make tubes for anybody and anything.
Overall, the customers care about the quality and the workmanship of the product, and that we've taken that pride every step of the way to make sure that we're meeting the specifications, the tolerances, the surface finish. We bring in strip that's already been split to size and in specific gauges, put it on a derailer, and we feed it in through a series of forming passes.
This is the breakdown section. The W pass helps breaks the edge, and then each pass will help form it into a tube. Pressure, a lot of pressure. And then it gets to the weld box, it welds it together. And then it'll go through a bead conditioner, which will flatten that weld almost to where you can't see it at all.
When we take the tubing, go all the way through the process, you would hardly even know that there's a weld inside that tube. The tube comes off the weld mill, it's got the properties of us cold working it into that shape. We need to have that formability. We soften the tube up. So if it comes onto here, it stress relieves, it homogenizes the weld, and that weld starts blending with the base metal.
Well, this was a controlled atmosphere, so there's no oxygen in there. Hydrogen, nitrogen, argon. We double check our tubes when we come to the other end, making sure everything's up to standards and quality, and then we'll move on to the next process with it.
So we draw the tubes to our draw benches to custom sizes.
There's a series of jaws inside of that entry end there that have grabbed onto that tube and are pulling it.
So you need to make a point on the tube to get through the die by draw.
And inside that blue area is where we've got a series of dies or plugs or bars. And that tube is being drawn to that new dimension. So it's literally taking it, stretching it out, making it longer, thinning the wall, changing that OD size. We're changing that dimension over and over again. So we'll start with one weld size, a heat treating, cold working, heat treating, cold working cycle. And in between, you've got all those cleaning operations, straightening, and at the end, we come out with maybe 5 draw passes, and we've reduced that tube.
We double check our lengths twice, 2 different people. From here, we'll take them to our cleaning process where we pickle them. This is what a dirty tube looks like. We get ash oxided scale from our oxide oven. So I'll dip them in our acid tank here, and the grade of material that we use dictates how long we've set it in here. And then we'll put them in our rinse tanks, and after we're pickled, we'll have a tube like this.
We have a lot of customer specifications that we have to hit mechanical properties for. Weld identification, can we see the weld in it? What's it doing? Is it forming and fabricating like we want it to through bending or flaring? And then we've manipulated them and looked at them under magnification and with the naked eye to make sure that that base metal shows no sign of weight loss and corrosion. Our tensile tester will tell you how that elasticity is and that tensile strength, which is crazy important to our customers.
This particular setup we're running right now is looking for defects of only 0.02 of an inch in depth and 0.60 of an inch long. Produces high frequency sound waves. We have to have it running through water because the sound waves lose energy in air, called attenuation. It's finding stuff inner diameter because there's no way to really see what's going on the inside of the tube, but this can. that's inspected every step of the way throughout the whole building. So throughout that whole process, it's been inspected numerous times.
Right now, we're welding some hydraulic tubing for aerospace products, very tight tolerances.
I think it's pretty cool that we provide products for potentially colonizing Mars or going to the moon again. It's kind of like the next step in humanity, and we're having some kind of small role in it.
This place has made a difference in my life. It's not easy, it's always a challenge, and I like a challenge every day.
We need to make our product the right way. Then the customer is happy and everything works perfectly for us and for a customer.
You know, making sure that our customers open our product and say that is superior to everybody else's.